Hey guys, hey guys, good morning. I'm back with another video and I will show how I mount my lockers, my alarm, and the way I use. So I have three kinds of lockers, actually two kinds of lockers and an alarm. This is my U-lock mounted. It comes with this mount, so it's just two screws here, and that's the U-lock. And I also have the disc lock with alarm, and I have another kind of alarm right here. It's just a double face tape. It's just to make a noise, to get the attention if someone try to steal your scooter. So let's see. So first, the U-lock. That's the way I use. You can put on some tree guard or you can just lock here. Or here. That is a password lock, so I don't like to have keys with me because I already have a lot of keys. So this is the first. So here it's locked. For the second is the disc lock alarm. I will show. This one goes the disc, so it's locked now. If someone try to steal my scooter, it will make this noise. So it's locked. And the third kind of protection is the alarm. It's that alarm right here. So it's locked. And now after 5 seconds, now it's active. And if somebody touch again, and the disc lock, and if someone touch again, and for the last, of course, if somebody try to steal your scooter, they can just come up with a truck and put in the trunk. But that's my protection. My protection. I hope I am safe here in New York. And that's it.